Daily life can be a real pain in the neck, and back and shoulders. It's a common tale, the hustle and bustle of everyday life leading to tension, stiffness, and discomfort. You're not alone if you long for a soothing massage. Well, what if we told you that such an experience is possible, right in the comfort of your own home? Intriguing, isn't it? Let's introduce you to the ultimate solution to your daily discomfort. Meet the Back Plus Shiatsu Neck and Back Massager, your personal relaxation companion. This isn't merely a cushion, it's a modern relaxation tool filled with numerous features designed to help in calming away stress and tension. Now, let's begin with the Silicon Shiatsu Nodes. These deep kneading nodes replicate the touch of skilled hands, providing a relaxing experience in the comfort of your own space. Next up, we have the 3D Shiatsu massage techniques. Whether you need a full back massage or some targeted neck relief, this feature has got you covered. And let's not forget the rolling massage feature. It gradually eases away fatigue and discomfort, leaving you feeling relaxed. But the features don't stop there. The air function applies precise pressure to your waist and hips, melting away tension and providing your weary muscles the relaxation they truly deserve. Got a specific area that needs extra attention? The spot controls allow you to focus the massage exactly where you need it. We've also incorporated a soothing heat feature, which helps deliver an even more relaxed massage, transporting you to a state of pure bliss. Concerned about the intensity? No worries. The removable intensity flap allows you to adjust the massage to your liking. As you can see, the Back Plus Shiatsu Neck and Back Massager is more than just a cushion. It's your personal gateway to relaxation and rejuvenation. The benefits of the Back Plus Shiatsu Neck and Back Massager go beyond offering a calming sensation. This innovative product is crafted to help offer relief from everyday discomfort, offering you a source of solace to enhance your day. Imagine returning home after a long day's work to find a personal relaxation expert ready to assist you in unwinding, providing comfort and relief from stress and tension. That's exactly what you get with the Back Plus Shiatsu Neck and Back Massager. But the advantages don't stop there. This adaptable massager can be used in a variety of settings, effortlessly integrating with a wide range of seating options. Whether you're in your office, at home, or even while traveling, the Back Plus Shiatsu Neck and Back Massager offers you a soothing experience wherever you are. To top it all off, the combination of therapeutic massage and soothing heat delivers a powerful punch against deep-seated aches, leaving you in a state of blissful relaxation. Say goodbye to daily discomfort and hello to a life of relaxation with the Back Plus Shiatsu Neck and Back Massager.